You've probably heard the word sentence before, but what does it actually mean and what does a sentence need? Let's have a look right now. Look at this example here. The man waited for the train. What is this? Correct. This is a sentence. But what is a sentence? What does it need? This sentence here, how many ideas are we talking about? Good, just one. Is this sentence complete? Does it need anything else? No, we know what happened. There was a man and he waited for a train. So a sentence is something that expresses or has an idea and is complete by itself. That means we don't need any other information. If you have a group of words and that group of words doesn't make sense, we don't really know the whole idea, then this is not a sentence, okay? So remember that a sentence expresses an idea and we don't need anything else. It's 100% complete. Now, every written sentence needs a few things. So let's have a look. The first thing it needs is a subject. Okay, we have to be talking about something. Now, in this sentence, man is the subject. It's the thing we're talking about. Every written sentence also needs a verb. Now, the verb here is waited. So we know the subject, the thing, waited. We know what that subject was doing in the past. And note here how this is a past tense verb. Every written sentence also needs a capital letter, a big letter, an uppercase letter. And we're going to talk about capital letters in one of the next lessons. And every sentence also needs a full stop. We also need this little stop here at the end of the sentence because this tells us that the sentence is finished. And finally, there's one more thing that we need. Every sentence must make sense. So if you read something and it doesn't make sense, it's probably not a complete sentence. But if we look at this sentence, the man waited for the train, we know what happened. We don't need any other information. It's complete and it makes sense. So now let's have a look at some other examples of sentences. Number one, she is writing a very long letter. So we've got the subject, we've got a big letter, we've got a verb, so this is a complete sentence. I have driven a car before. Again, we've got a subject, we've got a verb, we've got a full stop, and we've got a capital letter. Also, this is complete. We don't need any other information to understand this sentence. Do you play basketball? Again, this is 100% complete. It's clear and it makes sense. I applied for the job yesterday. Same again, it's got all the things we need and it makes sense. And last example, the students arrived. Yes, this is a very short sentence. However, it's complete. We know we're talking about students and we know what happened. They arrived. We've also got a full stop here and we've got a capital letter. All right, now you're going to see some sentences, which sentences are complete and which are not complete. Let's go. Number one, unless there is pineapple. Is this complete? Do we know what the speaker or writer is talking about? No. So this is not a complete sentence. They took the elevator. This is complete. We've got a verb, we've got a subject, and we know what they did. The best country in the world. Do we have a verb? No. So therefore, this is not a complete sentence. Number 4. He walked down to the beach. Do we have a verb? Yes. Subject? Yes. Capital letter? Yes. Full stop? Yes. Does it make sense? Yes, it does. So this is 100% correct. And last one, good students understand the difference. Do we have a verb? Yes. Subject? Yes. Full stop and capital letter? Yes. So this sentence is also 100% complete.